Hey yo, what's up guys? Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can add a calendar to your Notion page. Something like this to your Notion page. So first I'll just create a new page. I'll make it empty page, and now in here I have to type a backslash and then type calendar, and you have to click on this thing, calendar view. In here you have to click on create a new database or new database option, and here it is. We have the calendar ready, so I can just add anything to it like that, and that's it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.